Sometimes I watch the clouds, they're begging to be stared at. They say my thoughts aloud, they never used to do that. My dreams smell just like pine, like something once forgotten.
Guys, we have reached Kodaikanal bus stand. From here we will take a bus to Kodaikanal. It has been quite a journey from ISHA to Gandhipuram to Kadam, and from Kadam to Kodaikanal.
We would drive along the hills. I don't think I'll ever forget the way they rolled. It gave me chills that I'm not ready to admit. And we would leap into the lake, and our breath was briefly stolen. We didn't know the splash we'd made, or how our world would soon be swollen.
Just reached Kodaikanal. It took us around 7 to 8 hours drive. Oh, that's it. Thank you. Everyone is really helpful, and the weather here is quite similar to that of Gangtok. It's cold, it's raining, and we'll be exploring the town for a while. I just got to know that Kodaikanal is very famous for homemade chocolates, so we need to explore it as much as possible. This is our room. This is the washroom, and we have a mirror here. It's right next to the bus stop.
The rivers gave me my blue eyes, the trees inspired me to grow. I feel so young that I could cry. I feel like indigo.
We couldn't make it to Guna Caves since it was closed when we reached. We reached there around 4:30 and it closes by that time. We could get only 10 minutes. It's also closing time out here. We're exploring Kodaikanal in a rush, but it needs some time. We are in front of golf course, which is beautiful. We're kind of enjoying the view. Guys, we are exploring Kodaikanal in a rush, and I recently got compliment regarding my hairstyle. I told thank you. People are really liking this hairdo of mine. I just love how every person here has a different vibe. They have their own music playing in the shops. It's quite good to see people carrying their own vibe. The vibe is quite contagious. It's beautiful. Jamun tree here is supposed to be 500 years old. We are out for a stroll in Coakers walk. This place is so peaceful. It's so chill. It has stopped drizzling also. We're just enjoying the vibe of Kodaikanal. One day is not enough for Kodaikanal, but we don't even have a day. We just have some hours in our hands, and we are trying to make the best use of whatever we have. Tomorrow early in the morning we'll be leaving for Madurai. We'll try our best to explore as much as we can till then. Nice music.
Who am I? What should I be? Tell me who do you see? rivers gave me my blue eyes. The trees inspired me to grow.
We are now in Bryant's Park. We'll be exploring a bit of this area. It closes at 6:30 and it's 5:45 p.m. right now. Bryant's Park.
I feel so old that I could die. I feel like indigo. The rivers gave me my blue eyes. The trees inspired me to grow. I feel so old that I could die.
Just look at the sky. It's pink.
I feel like indigo.
Guys, today's vlog I'm ending it right here. We are going back to our room. We had a great time in Kodaikanal. Tomorrow we'll be off to Madurai. So yeah guys, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.